We've all dreamt of winning the lottery. The idea of suddenly coming into a vast fortune is a fantasy that has crossed everyone's mind at least once. Imagine the thrill of scratching off that ticket or watching the lottery balls spin in the machine, knowing that your life could change in an instant. The anticipation, the excitement, the sheer possibility of it all is intoxicating. The chance to escape the daily grind and live a life of luxury is a powerful allure. Picture yourself in a sprawling mansion with every amenity you could ever desire, or driving a sleek luxury car down a scenic road with the wind in your hair. No more worrying about bills, no more mundane 9-to-5 jobs, just endless possibilities and the freedom to do whatever you want, whenever you want. But what if the reality wasn't quite so glamorous? What if the dream of instant wealth came with unforeseen consequences? Tonight we delve into the untold stories of lottery winners whose lives took unexpected turns. The initial disappointment of not winning is nothing compared to the complex challenges that come with a sudden windfall. We explore the dark side of lottery winning, where the clouds of uncertainty and the shadows of unforeseen problems loom large. The allure of instant wealth can quickly turn into a nightmare filled with stress, anxiety, and unforeseen complications. The dream can become a burden, casting a long shadow over what was once a hopeful future. Join us as we meet winners who lost it all. These are people who, despite their newfound wealth, found themselves in distressing situations. Financial ruin, broken relationships, and emotional turmoil are just a few of the challenges they face. Their stories serve as cautionary tales, reminding us that money can't buy happiness, and that wealth can sometimes bring more problems than it solves. Discover the unexpected challenges they face, from managing their finances to dealing with the pressures of sudden wealth. Many winners are unprepared for the complexities of financial management, leading to poor decisions and financial missteps. The surprise and confusion on their faces as they navigate this new world of wealth is a stark reminder of the importance of financial literacy. From financial scams to broken relationships, the road to happiness after a big win can be a bumpy one. Scammers and opportunists often target lottery winners, leading to broken contracts and financial losses. Relationships can also suffer, as the sudden influx of money can create tension and conflict. The dream of a perfect life can quickly unravel, leaving winners feeling isolated and betrayed. The road to happiness after a big win can be a bumpy one, but there is hope. Despite the challenges, many winners find a way to navigate the ups and downs and come out stronger on the other side. The journey may be difficult, but with the right support and mindset, it is possible to find happiness and fulfillment. We'll also share stories of winners who used their wealth for good. These individuals found purpose and meaning by giving back to their communities and making a positive impact. From organizing charity events to supporting local causes, they turned their windfall into a force for good, proving that wealth can be a powerful tool for change, and learned to manage their windfall wisely. With the help of financial advisors and careful planning, these winners were able to make smart investments and create sustainable budgets. Their stories highlight the importance of financial literacy and the value of seeking professional advice when managing a large sum of money. Is winning the lottery a curse or a blessing? This is the question that many winners grapple with. The initial excitement and joy can quickly give way to doubt and uncertainty. The conflicting emotions and the weight of responsibility can be overwhelming, leaving winners questioning whether their windfall is truly a blessing or a curse. Tune in to Life After Millions, What They Don't Tell You, and find out. Join us as we explore the highs and lows of life after winning the lottery. From the initial euphoria to the long-term challenges, we'll uncover the hidden truths and provide valuable insights for anyone dreaming of hitting the jackpot. Mark's story is like so many others. The initial euphoria, the media frenzy, the dream of a life without limitations. The cameras flash, the reporters swarm, and for a moment it feels like the world is at your feet. But this is just the beginning of Mark's journey, and the reality of his new life is far more complex than he ever imagined. The dream of a life without limitations is a powerful one. The horizon seems endless and the possibilities are limitless. But as Mark soon discovered, the reality of sudden wealth can be far more restrictive than liberating. The weight of expectations and the pressure to maintain a certain lifestyle can be overwhelming, turning the dream into a burden. But what happens when the cameras stop rolling? When the media attention fades and the reality of everyday life sets in, the challenges of managing newfound wealth become all too real. The isolation and loneliness that can come with sudden wealth are often overlooked, but they are very real and can have a profound impact on a winner's mental and emotional well-being. Financial illiteracy and a lack of proper guidance can quickly erode even the biggest windfall. Without the right knowledge and support, it's easy to make poor financial decisions that can lead to significant losses. The confusion and frustration that come with trying to navigate the complexities of wealth management can be overwhelming, highlighting the importance of financial education. The sudden wealth can fracture relationships and erode a sense of purpose. The strain of managing a large sum of money can create tension and conflict in relationships, leading to arguments and even breakups. The sense of purpose that once came from work and daily routines can be lost, leaving winners feeling adrift and disconnected from their previous lives. Winners often grapple with isolation and a loss of identity. The sudden change in lifestyle can create a sense of disconnection from friends and family, leading to feelings of loneliness and isolation. The loss of identity that comes with leaving behind a previous way of life can be difficult to navigate, and many winners struggle to find a new sense of self. Therapy can be a crucial tool for winners to navigate the emotional roller coaster and rebuild a fulfilling life. Professional support can help winners process their emotions, develop coping strategies, and find a new sense of purpose. Writing in a journal, talking to a therapist, and seeking support from loved ones can all be valuable steps in the journey to emotional well-being. Many winners find meaning by giving back. Philanthropy and community service can provide a sense of purpose and fulfillment that money alone cannot. By using their wealth to make a positive impact, winners can create lasting change and find a deeper sense of satisfaction and happiness. Focusing on philanthropy can create a lasting positive impact. Whether it's volunteering at a charity, supporting educational initiatives, or funding community projects, giving back can be a powerful way to use wealth for good. The smiles on the faces of those who benefit from these efforts are a testament to the positive impact that philanthropy can have. Mark downsized the mansion and reconnected with his estranged daughter. By simplifying his life and focusing on what truly mattered, Mark was able to rebuild his relationships and find a new sense of purpose. The joy of reconnecting with loved ones and the satisfaction of living a more meaningful life far outweighed the material comforts of his previous lifestyle. He started a foundation to support local schools, using his wealth to make a positive impact on his community. By investing in education and supporting the next generation, Mark found a way to create lasting change and leave a meaningful legacy. The sight of children playing and learning made possible by his efforts brought him a sense of fulfillment that money alone could never provide. Winning the lottery can be a life-changing event, but true happiness comes from building a meaningful life. The initial thrill of winning may be exhilarating, but lasting joy and fulfillment come from finding purpose and making a positive impact. The journey to true happiness is about more than just wealth. It's about living a life that is rich in meaning and connection. True happiness comes from building a meaningful life, not just a wealthy one. The peace and contentment that come from living in alignment with one's values and making a positive impact are far more valuable than any material possession. By focusing on what truly matters, winners can find a deeper sense of satisfaction and joy, not just a wealthy one. The support and connection of friends and family, the joy of creative expression, and the satisfaction of making a positive impact are all essential components of a fulfilling life. By focusing on these aspects, winners can create a life that is truly rich in every sense of the word.